world. Today we have an unboxing and a new brand tryout. I don't know if you're like me, but you love watching YouTubers open stuff that you don't have so you can decide if you need it or not. And also, like me, your social is probably blowing up with ads that are perfectly curated for your purchase history and your, likes and demographics. So I saw a new one pop up on Facebook, I believe this week, and it is called Brandless. Brandless sells a variety of items from food, beauty, household, health, and home and office, and everything on their website is $3. It was founded in San Francisco in the summer of 2017, so not even a year old yet. And the idea is that by eliminating distributors and stores, they can sell the exact same quality of item that you would see in a grocery or department store for 40% less. And again, everything in here is $3. Their website says that they also focus on having organic products, kosher products, and they also have a relationship with Feed for America. So I spent under $40 and got, 11 items, I think, from across their range. I'm going to show them to you today, and then I will check in a few weeks and let you know what I think about them, if they're up to snuff or not. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I opened this box so you didn't have to see me awkwardly struggle with it on camera, but I have not pulled anything out yet. All right. Ooh. I don't have a pizza cutter, so I got one. And this one, it looks like, has a bottle opener on the end, which is legit. Thank you. So it's even got the name Brandless on it here, which is kind of ironic because it's branded Brandless. Okay, so pizza cutter. Can't believe I'm a grown-ass woman with no pizza cutter. Not anymore. All right, I got some dish soap, which I needed. This says EPA Safer Choice Certified. What does that mean? Non-toxic, no dyes, removes grease, brandless. Non-GMO, no chemical residue, biodegradable, no animal testing, gluten-free. This is lilac scented, which is one of my favorite flowers. I'm afraid I'm gonna get it in my nose. It smells like soap. I don't really know if it smells like lilacs, but we'll see how well it cleans my pizza cutter. I also got moisturizing hand soap right here, and same thing, sulfate free, no animal testing, gluten free, no phthalates. What is that word? Second one down. I don't know what that means. Okay, and this one is conditioning lemongrass extract. I'm gonna open it and smell it. It smells like sweet. Actually, I don't know if I like the scent of that. It's kind of anisey, like a little licoricey. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that. If it cleans my hands, I don't really care. Y'all, every time I go on a road trip, every time I stop at a gas station or a rest stop and I get beef jerky, it's like my road trip food. And they sell beef jerky, which is usually like $8, $9 for $3. So I got the teriyaki, 100% grass-fed beef, hickory smoked. I'm not waiting. It's kind of the dry kind. You're not gonna see this. 1.7 ounces. It's good. Tastes like beef jerky. The bag is not resealable. Womp womp. I'll put it in a Tupperware. Tastes like beef jerky. It's good. It's not too dry. Yeah. Okay. shave gel. Soothing seaweed, non-irritating, gluten-free, all that same stuff. Massage gel on, ooh, I'm blowing up. It's my uncle. Green tea and aloe. You know I'm gonna smell it. Oh, this one's nice. Definitely smells like green tea. Okay, as advertised, and it's a clear gel. Okay, give this one a try. I'm a shaving cream girl when I use it. Actually, a lot of the times I just use my shower gel, my soap, but I'm gonna be more official. I'm gonna use this. All right, what else? Ooh. Cranberry almond bars. I got a lot of food, which is not surprising. Okay, there are nutrition facts on here. I was a little bit worried about that. Each one has 7 grams of fat. I guess it's from the almonds. All the ingredients on here say they're organic. I'm not gonna eat this on camera. These are for breakfast. Okay. Pancake and waffle mix. So, same deal. I mean, no artificial colors or flavors, no artificial preservatives, organic. I don't have a waffle maker, even though I like waffles better. Let me know. Are you team pancake or team waffle? I like to eat all the butter in the little crannies. So the only thing I bought 2 of is super perfect for me. I got 2 mac and cheeses. Shells and white cheddar because I'm an adult. Damn it. None of those elbow macaronis for me. I would eat elbow macaronis. I have and I will. This says that it's made with cheese from cows not treated with RBST. I don't know what that is. I'm assuming it's an antibiotic or a growth hormone maybe. Definitely going to be reviewing that and giving it a try. Is it bad when you buy stuff and you don't remember what it is that you ordered? Probably means you didn't really need it. Anyways, what is this? Oh, it's still cold. Poppy seed dressing. Brandless, I think, has a brand of this, and I love it on avocados. It's the best. Gotta eat this by October. What else? There's another. And balsamic. Because again, I'm an adult. Anything special about this? Shake well. It's vegan. Pretty standard. Fair there. I think that's it. I thought I got popcorn. I must not have. All right, that is it for my first Brandless haul. So far, so good. Everything came as promised. It was packaged well, it shipped quickly, all of that jazz. I'm gonna give this a try and a taste over the next few weeks, and I will post an update so you know my general thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big ol' thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you're in the know on what I post next. See you guys soon. Peace. So, yeah, I'm excited.